Good morning, this is Zach from Boss Motors. This video is for Ladthas. Just responding to your interest in regards to the 2014 Acura MDX that we have here. So basically I'm just going to do a quick little walk around of the car for you. Nothing too crazy, just kind of show you a little bit of different angles of the vehicle, go over price and car proof and all that stuff. Start with a little look in the interior. Back windows, I believe, have a nice little tint on them. Now the vehicles here obviously will be coming fully certified, safetied, all of that. Now the price for the car is asking price of $24,188. Another thing about Boss Motors, we don't charge any other fees, so it's just that price plus taxes, and that includes the safety certification and that's it, just taxes and licensing, no other hidden fees, right? 133,000 kilometers. And if you can see, here is you can see, so here's the summary of the Carfax. So there's no damage, no liens, Quebec vehicle, obviously not declared stolen, and then there's the service records and history here. So if you have any other questions in regards to the car, just send me an email. Again, my name is Zach. Just respond to the email that I send you with this video, and we can discuss, test drives or whatever. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.